Warning, these affirmations may result in excessive confidence and reality-bending miracles.
Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to settle into a place of complete relaxation. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter, your mind becoming clearer, and your energy aligning with the infinite intelligence of the universe. As you continue to breathe in and out, a gentle wave of healing energy surrounds you, infusing every cell of your being with pure light. You are now in a space of renewal, balance, and transformation. Feel a warm, soothing energy flowing through your feet, moving upward like a gentle current. This energy carries the vibration of quantum healing codes, restoring balance and harmony within. As it moves up through your legs, you feel a deep sense of relief. Any tension dissolves, your muscles soften, your nerves relax, and your body absorbs this infinite healing power. Now let the energy rise to your core. With every heartbeat, the frequencies of well-being expand, resonating with the intelligence of your body. This is the power of pure vitality encoded within you. Your arms, hands, shoulders, completely relaxed, completely at ease. You surrender to the flow of universal healing codes, allowing them to work in perfect harmony with your being. Now envision a sphere of luminous energy surrounding your entire body. This light holds the frequencies of pure well-being, encoded with quantum healing intelligence. It is recalibrating your energy, activating your body's natural healing abilities. Feel this light absorbing any disharmony, transmuting it into pure wellness, leaving you feeling radiant, whole, and deeply nurtured. Every organ, every cell, every atom in your body vibrates with health, resonating with the divine blueprint of perfection. My body knows exactly how to heal and restore itself. My body knows exactly how to heal and restore itself. My body knows exactly how to heal and restore itself. My body knows exactly how to heal and restore itself. My body knows exactly how to heal and restore itself. Repeat, silently, or in a soft whisper, I am whole, I am healed, I am in perfect harmony with the universal flow of well-being. You are deeply connected to the infinite healing intelligence of the universe. This energy is always available to you. Trust in it. Embrace it. Allow it to work miracles in your life. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath. With each inhale, you feel lighter. With each exhale, you feel more aligned, more centered, more at peace. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this healing energy with you. Know that these quantum healing codes continue to work within you, amplifying your health and well-being in every moment.
Reprogram your subconscious, rewrite your life. Hit subscribe and unlock your full potential.